Justice Lyn Stuart.
I was born and raised in Atmore, Alabama, and my daddy was a probation officer there for over 20 years. He taught me a real respect for the laws of our country and showed me the good that comes from our justice system. Judges must be balanced and fair. Courts should interpret the law, not create it. And we must serve and protect victims of crime. It's a lesson I learned in Atmore a long time ago.
Justice Lyn Stuart. For Supreme Court Place 3, experience and values matter. Justice Lyn Stuart is the clear choice. Pro-life, conservative, supported by the Alabama Farmers Federation, small business, and Republican leaders, she shares our values. Justice Lyn Stuart, 25 years experience as a prosecutor and judge. The Montgomery Advertiser says her judicial experience far outweighs that of her opponent. Vote experience, vote conservative. Vote to re-elect Justice Lyn Stuart. Justice Lyn Stuart, 25 years experience as a prosecutor and judge.
Judges must be balanced and fair. Courts should interpret the law, not create it.
Lyn Stuart, a conservative with experience and integrity. Justice Lyn Stuart.
Judge Glenn Murdoch. His work reflects our values, protecting children and families. Respected as a legal scholar, Judge Murdoch's been voted best qualified. A conservative judge we can be proud of. Judge Murdoch, Supreme Court.
Justice Lyn Stuart, 25 years experience as a prosecutor and judge.
Judges must be balanced and fair. Courts should interpret the law, not create it.
Lyn Stuart, a conservative with experience and integrity. Justice Lyn Stuart.
For Chief Justice, the Press Register said, Drayton Neighbors embodies judicial dignity. The Shelby County Reporter, far and away the most qualified candidate. The Birmingham News, Neighbors is a person of integrity. Keep Chief Justice Neighbors working for us.
Let me tell you about the Drayton Neighbors I know. He's a proud grandfather, and he's been married to the same great woman for 41 years. He's not flashy, but he's understanding and fair. He's the most honest man I know. How do I know so much about Drayton Neighbors? He's my dad, and he taught me the values I'm trying to pass on to my children. Faith and family, helping your neighbor. His values are Alabama's values.
Chief Justice Drayton Neighbors.